These days, being a big company often means having to deal with big data problems. When that's the case, the power of your systems to analyze that data faster and cheaper can be a vital advantage. Enter a specialist in just this kind of acceleration.
The world's become incredibly hungry for data, and this is a company that can help with that. This has been, last decade has been Intel's. It's been Intel processors. It's been about Moore's law. It's been about the increase in clock speed of your CPU, your standard compute processor, and that just can't keep happening. That's grinding to a halt, and we're already starting to see customers where they've hit the wall with that. Where they need to do something different, and that's where analytics engines come in. This is a hardware accelerator. This is what we put into the system, and what we do is program it. We develop the kernels that give you the performance for your application that are 100,000 times faster than software. That makes a phenomenal difference in terms of differentiation from your competitors. There's numerous advantages to this. First of all, the speed that you can process the data at, the sophistication of the analytics, and then the cost of compute. Because with an accelerator in your server, your compute density is much higher. That means you need fewer servers in order to do the same thing. That's got cost advantage. That's both CapEx, in terms of the amount you're spending on the hardware, and then OpEx in terms of just running it. So, data centers are now all about the power consumption of it. And we have much better figures around that. We have much better value add, and you're getting away from the scalability problem, because there's a limit to how much commodity hardware you can keep applying to these problems and get reasonable results. Some of the people we've partnered with are the likes of SAP in enterprise data, Philips Healthcare in medical imaging, locally with Andor Technologies, with Credit Suisse in the finance domain.
So for the SAP, for database enterprise software, we were able to accelerate it by 22x, which was able to provide them with the capability to differentiate themselves from their competition because they can provide better, faster services to their customers.
We can provide the technology, we can provide the expertise, and we can provide the accelerators behind that allow them to do more with that data, to allow them to do faster, to allow them to do more sophisticated data analytics. And that's something really special. That's something that not a lot of companies can say they do.